Okay, continue. We're here closer to the site where the fire is getting in. Boy, it's a big one. Still, our fireman hasn't come to aid us. And yet, here comes Chief with the extended hose. I'm gonna exchange it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Smoke. Smoke everywhere. Oxygen! We need oxygen! Okay, here. Okay. Here we go. This is something. We are retreating to our base. It's no use! Give it up! Woo! Woo! That is one thick mother. Woo. Here, over here. Ah, get over here. Kodak. Fuck, that is one thick smoke. It is getting, I think, 150 yards closer to our perimeter, and it is not stopping. They have just connected the 5th hose, and still no hope from our firemen aiders. Whoa, it's coming from there too. It's right here. Here's Essex on the scene.
Fire burning.
Fire burning in the field.
Can do something. Pray for rain.
Oh shit, this is going on YouTube. Hey yo. This ain't nothing compared to the ones in Guam, but I gotta say, this once in a lifetime shit. Señor, ¿qué se puede? That's a minor one over there, but here, shit. Oh, here comes another one. Here comes another wave. Woo! Woo! Oh!
Stop! People, please drink in your fridge.
We are World War II. Wait. We are in World War III actually. So please be prepared.
Closer, please. Do not come any closer.
Shit. Damn.
Don't even try to be a hero.
Why the hell aren't our firemen here yet? Damn, there's 2 sections already. What are we gonna do? What about that other one? Who's gonna get that?
Oh man, I couldn't even breathe while I was there. This is come out like crazy.
Yo, hold the camera, bro. I'm gonna finish.